In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add images to Microsoft Forms, specifically adding a logo header image to give your form a branded look. Let's jump right in. Start by opening Microsoft Forms in your browser and signing in with your account credentials. Once you're signed in, you'll land on your main dashboard, where all of your existing forms are displayed in a tile view. From here, locate the sample form you want to work with. In this case, the form is called Customer Feedback Form. Click the Form tile on the dashboard to open it. The form editor will load on your screen, showing the title at the top along with the sample text question right below it. Now it's time to open the Header Image menu. Move your cursor up to the Form Header area at the very top of the form, just near the title, and click on it. This will activate the header editing options. On the right side of the header area, you'll see an Insert Image option. Go ahead and click Insert Image. A panel will appear on the right showing different image source options. Click the Upload button inside the Image Source panel. This will trigger a file picker window that allows you to choose an image saved on your computer. Inside the file picker, look at the left sidebar and click Downloads to open your Downloads folder. From the list of files there, click the logo file you want to use. In this example, the file is called Northwind Workshop Logo.png. We're using this image as our demonstration logo for the header. Once the file is selected, click the Open button located in the bottom right corner of the file picker. The file picker will close, and the system will start processing your upload. Give it a moment, and wait for the logo image to appear inside the form header area at the top of your form. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Next, head up to the top toolbar and click Preview. This lets you see exactly how your form will appear to anyone filling it out. Take a look and confirm that the logo now appears at the top of the form, sitting cleanly above the form title and the sample question. The Microsoft Forms preview now displays your uploaded logo in the header, with customer feedback form and the sample question shown underneath. This confirms your form has a branded header image instead of a plain text-only header. Congratulations, you've successfully added a logo image to your Microsoft form.